Ryan Felsman joins us live for a look at the markets. Sort of a morning's it going to be, Ryan?
Well, Pete, a subdued or flat start to trade is expected here in Australia today, and that was after a mixed session on Wall Street on Friday. We saw the Dow Jones index lift by 130 points or 0.4%. We saw healthcare shares perform particularly strongly, with Merck shares up by 2.8%. The broader S&P 500 index, however, was down 0.3%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq index was down 0.6%. We saw tech giant Microsoft shares down by 1.6%, and chipmaker Nvidia shares fell by 2.8%. A big focus on rising interest rates, Pete. The 10-year US government bond yield hit a 3-month high of 3.8%, and that's after economists at Goldman Sachs and Bank of America both said they're likely to see 3 more 25 basis point rate hikes in the United States to a peak of around 5.3%. We also saw shares of lithium miners in the US down. We saw Piedmont Lithium and Albemarle down by up to 12% on concerns about Chinese lithium prices. Energy shares were down 3.7%, with ExxonMobil down 3.7% on demand concerns around oil. We saw crude oil prices down 2.5%. On the flip side, however, we saw farm equipment maker shares, Deere, up by 7.5% after a good profit and earnings outlook. And on European markets, we saw the Stock 600 index down by 0.2%. That's despite a 2.8% increase in premium luxury car maker Mercedes report, and we saw some good earnings there. And the FTSE UK 100 index was down 0.1%. Big day of earnings, Pete. We get updates from A2 Milk, also at the same time BlueScope Steel, and also Northern Star, and we get Wesfarmers and Ansell shares trading ex-dividend. The Aussie dollar's at 68.6 US cents.
Alrighty, Ryan, thank you.